Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. Kembali pada video kali ini Pak 7 Rebon menghiasi hidup Anda dengan berbagai seluk-beluk tentang otomotif dunia, khususnya pabrikan Yamaha.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Halo brother, selamat berjumpa kembali pada masa yang berbahagia ini. Alhamdulillah, syukur kita masih ada peluang berjumpa kembali melalui siaran 47 Rebon yang merupakan salah satu siaran yang sangat famous di kalangan otomotif di Asia bahkan di dunia. Oke brother, pada kesempatan kali ini tanpa membuang masa kita langsung saja melihat salah satu motor kebanggaan Yamaha, yakni MX King 155, yang dimana pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan melihat proses kelengkapan yang akan kita buat untuk salah satu unit yang sudah sold out pada hari ini. Nah, yang menariknya lagi kali ini kita akan melihat MX yang berwarna merah ya. Kita lihat seperti warnanya seperti Iron Man ya, sangat laki, merah hitam. Sangat elok dipandang mata. Oke. Kita akan menyaksikan bagaimana proses yang terjadi sebelum kita antar ke tuannya. Nah, di sini kita akan ngecek nomor rangka, nomor mesin dan sebagainya ya, seperti standar lah. Standar yang dipakai untuk melengkapi motor nih. Oke. Untuk Anda yang baru menemukan channel ini, yakinlah bahwa Anda sudah ada di jalan kebenaran. Anda sudah berada di jalan yang tepat dan tak ada keraguan di dalamnya. Oke kawan, seperti biasa, selamat menonton dan semoga semuanya bisa terhibur dengan persembahan kami yang tak seberapa nih. Oke brothers, awan pamit dulu. Kita jumpa lagi pada perhelatan berikutnya. Semoga korang dimanapun berada dipermudahkan segala urusannya, dimudahkan rezekinya, disehatkan selalu dan dipanjangkan umurnya. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Oke brother, akhir kata billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. notice, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold.